Hello and welcome back to New England Industrial Machinery. This is take 2 or part 2 of a 2005 Studer ODID grinder, model S33CNC. It's equipped with a remote operator pendant, FANUC Series 21i TV control. This is a Centratron 2 sensitivity detector. There's the ID spindle. Manual tailstock. Little qualifying tool. Setup. It's got the dresser on the back side of the grinder. Probing. It's a really well maintained, or I should say really lightly used machine. Everything is in perfect condition. Do a quick walk around here. You can see the rest of the machine. Here's the controls inside. Super clean, extra belts. I have all the manuals for the machine. And again, I'm having United Grinding do a service call on it just to make sure everything's working properly, and it is. That's why we're doing this video. Try to zoom in a little bit on the hours. Now they just turn the machine on and just leave the machine running. They really don't ever turn it off, obviously, and but it is a lightly used machine. There's the coolant system, paper type filter. Comes with a rack for holding the wheels. I have 2 extra wheel mounts, several wheels, both ID and OD. This red storage cabinet. Some spare parts. I'll have to go through it because there's some, ended up having some milling parts in there, but you'll get all the grinding parts. So we're going to shut the machine down and put the bracket on for traveling, and the machine will be sold through the video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.